Good Thursday evening, everyone. I'm Brave Blanks.
We're glad you're here. I'm Wayne McCormick. Now, last Friday, we reported that the Abilene-Taylor County Public Health District sent letters to doctors confirming 64 cases of salmonella in Abilene, 35 of which are possibly linked to the Abilene Country Club.
And we wanted to know more about the restaurant's health inspection score, so we filed a Freedom of Information request with the city to learn more about that and how does the Country Club compare to other restaurants in our area. K-Texas City reporter Michelle Frizzalone spoke with the Abilene Environmental Health Manager who inspects restaurants in the area to get more answers. Michelle?
Braid, out of all the restaurants in Abilene, only 2 of them have scored in the low 60s. The Abilene Country Club scored a 63 and Hernandez Bakery scored a 61. But what does this type of score mean for a restaurant? Glenn Bailey, the environmental health manager with the city of Abilene who inspects restaurants, says the overall food score isn't a determining factor if the restaurant will shut down.
A closure occurs because there is an imminent health hazard regardless of the score.
The Abilene Country Club scored a 63, so we looked at the reports in detail. We found on July 13th when the restaurant had an inspection, they observed fruit stored at 48 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature it needs to be stored at 45. According to health officials, improper temperatures in produce can be a breeding ground for salmonella.
It can be a cold hold temperature like melons that have been sliced, and if they are placed in a refrigerator that is not holding at least 41 degrees or below, then that salmonella, if it is on that product, will grow.
But they also say salmonella can be caused from many different things. For example, improper cooking of chicken. Since the investigation, the city says the Country Club has improved.
From the time that we stepped foot on the Country Club property to do the original investigation, they have been compliant in everything and cooperative in everything that we have asked them to do.
And the health inspector did want us to mention a low score doesn't always directly reflect whether or not a restaurant is safe. It depends on how severe the individual violations are. But Wayne, one of the Country Club's violations was listed in the most important category.